You can control the vehicle without the smart key by using the digital key. When carrying a smartphone that supports UWB, you can lock or unlock the door, or start the engine. For smartphones that do not support UWB, touch the door handle sensor to unlock the vehicle. Then place it on the wireless smartphone charging pad before starting the engine. You can use the Smart Trunk function if you are carrying a smartphone that supports UWB. In the infotainment system, go to Setting, Vehicle, Door to activate the Smart Trunk function. Share your digital key with other devices through the Kia Connect app.
Kia, movement that inspires.